Hi, I'm Jason Breach. In this video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Rider No. 7 plane. The Rider No. 7 jointer plane, the longest of the Rider planes. The plane bodies are cast of high ductile iron and have an accurately ground sole, comfortable hardwood handles. The British made blade is 01 high carbon steel. It is 3mm thick, which adds strength and wear resistance. Levels bumps and hollows for a true edge. For a more detailed video on the blade sharpening techniques, check out this video. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.